All right, so yesterday I made a pretty good lunch for some friends. We had raviolis, homemade sauce, and I got some sausage and meatballs left over and a pretty good piece of bread. So I'm going to make myself a quick sandwich. All right, so here is sausages on one side and meatballs on the other. And now I got I don't have any mozzarella cheese. I wish I did, but I got some Parmesan cheese, grated. So I'll melt that onto one side. And then I got some grated Swiss cheese. And I know that's not typical for like a meatball and sausage sandwich, but it'll be all right. It'll be good. It's going to be a pretty heavy-duty sandwich. All right, there is that. And then into the toaster oven it goes. All right, there is that. Out of the toaster. Now I gotta fold it. And then cut it. That should be a nice sandwich. All right, give it a try. See how hot it is. Good. Doesn't really need anything. Little sip of Vino. Excellent sandwich. I love leftovers.